Hi my friends, welcome to Jwood channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make an expert with C# in cTrader software. This is a simple RSI bot and is only for programming training in cTrader. It doesn't matter to us whether the strategy is right or wrong. Now I open the cTrader and go to Automate for create a bot. Click on the new button for create a new bot and change bot name to Simple RSI Cbot. Right click on the Simple RSI Cbot and edit in Visual Studio. You can edit your bot in Visual Studio, but I'm editing in the cTrader. Below this is a simple bot. Click on the build button. Set the first parameter. The parameters in the cTrader are the same inputs that we can receive from the user. In the bracket, write the input label, and in the next line, store the input in the variable. Here we want to save the source of candle. The source is said to have 4 main price, which includes close, high, low, open prices. The source data type is data series. Define the lot of position, which is the amount of the capital that is to be entered into position. I set the default value to 1 lot and copy that for take profit and stop loss. Now define the variable that type relative stringent index, that is RSI. Now in the onStart function we set the value of the RSI variable. In the indicators class we call the relative stringent index function. The first argument is source and the second argument is period. Oops, I forgot to define the RSI period. The onStart function is called only when the bot is turned on. The onTick function is a function that is called by the server each time information is sent. Now we use the result class to get the current value of RSI and get the last value of the RSI for the conditions. If it was more than 80, it should open sell position, and if it was lower than 20, it should open buy position. Now I write the comments for that. Then I create two functions. First, open position function for open buy or sell position, and close position function for close the positions. Create the open position function, data comment, private void, and that's name open position, one argument that type trade type, and the name of argument again trade type. In execute market order for open position, its function. First argument trade type, next symbol name, next the volume is the lots and label of the bot, next stop loss and take profit. Build an error, the semicolon does not exist. Private void open position. Oh, oops, it's the close position. Next I fix that. One argument trade type, that's name is variable trade type. The for each for the count of all of open positions. Var position info in positions class dot find all positions. close position function, open position, trade type sell for more than 80, and close position function, trade type buy. Oops, that name is closed. Build successful and test the bot. On the gold, time frame is 1 minute, and start the backtesting. Thank you for watching this video.